minimum wage Ghana $32,000 weekly. That is a good thing, but it comes with a side effect. Watch you now. Work I got hard to get. A lot of people are gonna lose them job. Cause watch you now. A lot of employers, them now gonna pay $32,000 weekly to so much money. So them are gonna cut back from workers. So if a money have 20 worker, he gonna drop down to 8. You see what me I say? So all me can say to the people them who out there who are do 9 to 5, all me can say to you say, if you know you would jolly work and move lazy and slouchy and them thing there, you better buy some energy drink and start work for prove to your boss. Cause a lot of boss now go pay that. So all me can say, you know have to go start put all of you usually lean up, do this, do that, and you have to go start work to keep you know work. Cause minimum wage Ghana 32,000. It is a good thing, but the side effect is a lot of employers them not going to pay that. You see what I say? So a whole heap of people I got jobless and work I got hard to get. You see what I say? You don't know how Jamaican people stay already. You see what I say? Some Jamaican boss they don't like pay money. So like out and that Ghana $32,000 work I got hard to get. A lot of people go send out resume and them never get no call. You see what I say? So right now, you have to go work to keep your spot in the workplace right now. You see what I say? Yes, that's all I have to say. Yeah.